you're new to growing tomatoes, or maybe you're not even new to growing tomatoes, you might be wondering what it means when it says indeterminate or determinate on your seed packets, if you actually read them. For tomatoes, though, this is actually a pretty big distinction. Indeterminate tomatoes are vining tomato plants that will continue to grow and produce throughout the season. These are going to be the varieties you'll want to give some sort of support to. These are also going to be the varieties that you'll need to maintain by regular pruning during the season. Determinate tomatoes will reach a shorter mature height with a bushier growth habit. They will not need as much, if any, support. They will usually fruit all at once and then the plants will stop growing. These varieties are good if you need a large amount of tomatoes at one time. That being said, I have had a determinate variety produce tomatoes all season long, and it even produced tomatoes well into the winter months, but the majority of the fruit did show up at the same time. Some people will refer to these types as semi-determinate. And if you are curious as to which variety it was the mini bell variety, and I really liked this tomato. I hope you found this information helpful. Happy growing!